Hey friends, thanks for joining me. Today we are going to make this mallet out of these two boards. All right friends, so we're gonna make this mallet out of just two boards. So the first thing we're gonna do is figure out how long we want it. It doesn't need to be too long, just long enough to where you can basically like two hand widths, and then you have your head. Our head obviously is going to be 3.5 inches wide because I have a 1x4. So I'm gonna mark. Here's where I'm gonna cut. It's gonna have head, handle. All right, now I needed to decide how wide I need this to be, how long the head I need this to be. This is kind of long, so I don't need it that long. I'm thinking maybe somewhere around like that. So maybe 2 inches on each side of the handle. So 2 inches, 3.5, and another 2 is 7.5. 2, 2, 3.5, 2, 7.5. So I have a 7.5, and then I'm gonna need 2 and 2. Now I need to copy this. Okay, now I need to make these pieces in here. One that needs to be cut down. We'll use this. 2 inches. And we'll go ahead, since we already have this one in the vise. Make a 2-inch mark there. One piece. I'm gonna make the second. Because I don't want to cut into my metal here and hurt my saw, turn it like this. Now I got both sides. So now I'm going to use this cutoff. Put it under here. I'm going to glue this down, put 2 screws to hold it, glue this down, put 2 screws to hold it, clamp it in here, then work on my handle. once it's in here. Now at this stage, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to file it using a file and a rasp. We're gonna use a rounded file. You can also use your spoke shave. Okay, now we're just gonna let this dry and we're going to sand it a little bit and then she'll be good to use. There you go. How to make a mallet out of 2 boards. Hey friends, remember to work hard in whatever you do because hard work is its own reward. And thanks for watching.